A garden like this is a lot of work. Really? Not with the Robolinho, the smart robotic lawnmower from AL-KO. It mows your lawn almost silent and fully automatically, and is connected to the AL-KO Smart Cloud via Wi-Fi, making your life so much easier. With the AL-KO InTouch app, it can be configured easily from anywhere in the world. Program the mowing times, share Robolinho, receive push notifications, all with one click. But that's not all. The Robolinho can be connected via IFT interface to other smart devices and services, and its actions customized. Via Amazon Alexa, for example, it can be operated simply through speech. Alexa, tell AL-KO Robolinho it should start mowing now. Find out more about AL-KO Smart Gardening and get to know the Robolinho.
AL-KO. Quality for life.